Freyr is a vision of our core team, which wanted to radically redefine the landscape of regulatory. We wanted to be a global leader in offering end-to-end regulatory solutions to our global pharma. We have created a level playing field for small and medium pharma. We have expanded our network services across 120 countries, offering our different solutions and services to pharma, medical device, cosmetic, and biotech companies. Customer data is very important, and everyone in the company takes pride to protect it. Freyr has customer-specific delivery centers with access only to the people assigned to that customer. Freyr is the only regulatory company with ISO 9000 and 27001 certification, with our world-class delivery centers located in the middle of the growing biotech pharma hub in Hyderabad. Freyr has invested in an internal social networking platform which helps every employee to integrate easily, contribute ideas, and share their views. This is a major differentiator compared to any other company. This platform allows us to address communication-related issues, to process improvements, and ideas which yielded major growth for the company. In return, it has enabled them to grow individually as well.
If you look at the current industry landscape from a life sciences perspective, they are facing several challenges. One of the key challenges in the regulatory space is to have a much more focus on innovative products, how the internal regulatory teams can actually do more when it comes to growth-oriented products and innovative products that they plan to launch globally. How can they take an existing registration to a new market and expand the business potential for those products? But the reality of the situation is 70% of regulatory activities that are happening today in pretty much most of the organizations, large, medium and small, they are doing life cycle maintenance and predominantly operation-based activities. So the life sciences industry, specifically R&D functions and other areas, are looking to switch the gear and have external support to do on life cycle activities and have the internal teams focus more on innovative products, and that's where Freyr fits in. And we are addressing this fundamental business problem, which is helping drugs get approved faster and helping the internal regulatory teams within these organizations to focus more on innovative and growth-oriented products, where Freyr can come in and help on life cycle activities.
At Client Services, we are the voice of customers when it comes to the delivery. We bring what customer needs are to our staff and delivery teams. We make sure that customer needs are addressed in a proper way. At the same time, if there are any issues with the customer, our staff comes to us and we make sure that we are resolving their needs in a timely manner. Our team and myself, we get an opportunity to travel around to different countries and different customer sites. We get to experience how their working culture is, and as a country or as a people, what their culture in those locations is. We bring back those cultures to Freyr and make sure that we are bringing the right perspective, and our staff understands, delivery staff understands what the customer needs are in terms of the culture as well as the work.
When somebody asks me what is the story of Freyr, two things come to my mind. When like-minded people with a lot of passion to achieve a big dream come together with complementary skills for meeting the need of the business from the entire global regulatory industry perspective, then the magic happens. For an organization like us, in a very short period of time, to meet the kind of things that we have achieved in a short period of time is not possible without the people that we have in the organization. And the beauty of it is, it's just not the passion or the attitude that they bring to the table. They are driven by their own dreams, which aligns well with the organization's needs.
The secret to people management at Freyr is people themselves. People just walk into HR as well as to the management. We try to connect with each other on a weekly basis. We also have a people map where we try to connect with the different people with the different departments. This enables us, engages us at Freyr.
Corporate social responsibility at Freyr, we have started an organization called I for Farmers. I stands for individuals, which means individuals for farmers. It's a 501c3 organization based out of US, but we help farmers back home here in India. We have identified the farmers are committing suicide across India, and Vidarbha is known for the capital of farmer suicides. So we started our work there, helping the widows of farmers who committed suicide make sure that they come back on their feet and they practice their agriculture back and make sure that they are sustaining themselves.